What's up, everyone? I'm Cara. Is the XRP bottom finally in? After everything we've seen in the last 24 hours, the answer is screaming yes. Let's go. First, let's talk about what XRP is doing right now. Trading at $1.90 as I record this, up 1.22% in the last 24 hours. Here's what matters. XRP rallied 3.83% on Monday, January 26th. That's after dropping 4.16% on Sunday. You know what that is? That's classic bottoming behavior. Test support, find buyers, bounce. And check this out. XRP is holding above its 2021 all-time highs. That's 196. Analysts say this is a critical long-term battleground. As long as XRP defends this level, the bullish case is alive. Technical analysts are watching $2 as the key breakout level. Get above $2? We're targeting the 50-day EMA. Break that, we're looking at $2.50, then $3, then $3.66. Now, this is mind-blowing. Analysts just discovered that XRP is replicating silver's price action from the last 45 years, but XRP is doing it in fast forward. Here's the pattern. Silver hit $48 in Q1 1980, then crashed to $340 by 1991. Consolidated for years, then exploded to $49.81 in Q2 2011. Now look at XRP. Hit $331 in January 2018, just like silver's $48 peak, crashed to 11 cents in March 2020, just like silver's $340 floor, then recovered to 196 in April 2021, just like silver's mild recovery. And now, silver is up 278% since 2025, trading around $109. It's in a massive precious metals rally alongside gold. If XRP keeps following this pattern, we're about to see a breakout. Speaking of catalysts, the biggest news from the last 24 hours. The Agriculture Committee just rescheduled the crypto market structure bill markup for Thursday, January 29th. This is huge. Last week they delayed it because of weather. Now it's back on. The markup lets lawmakers review the draft, suggest amendments, vote on whether to pass it to the Senate floor. And guess what? President Trump said he hopes to sign a crypto market structure bill, quote, very soon. Brad Garlinghouse addressed this. He said, quote, we are a very vested party in what goes on in the XRP ecosystem. He's calling for, quote, continued very positive momentum. Brad predicted 2026 will be, quote, crypto's best performing year of all time. Why? Expected U.S. regulatory progress. Now let's talk about the ETF elephant in the room. Over 803 million XRP locked in ETFs. That's over 800 million tokens off the market. Total ETF inflows, $1.37 billion. And get this, 43 consecutive trading days of positive inflows, 0 outflow days. That's unprecedented. Bitcoin ETFs had outflow days, Ethereum ETFs had outflow days, XRP, not a single one. And Binance reserves? Down to their lowest levels in 2 years, according to CryptoQuant. Exchange balances dropped 57% from 4 billion XRP to 1.7 billion. That's a supply squeeze. Less XRP on exchanges means less available to sell. When demand comes back, prices explode. Evernorth is planning a Q1 2026 NASDAQ listing for XRPN stock. Let me bring this all together. Why is the bottom in? Number 1, price is defending 2021 highs. Support is holding at 185. Critical level at 180. Number 2, XRP is following silver's proven 45-year pattern, and silver just broke out to $109, up 278%. Number 3, regulatory clarity coming this week. Market structure. Bill markup Thursday. Trump says signing very soon. Number 4, ETF flows are relentless. 1.37 billion. 0 outflow days. Supply squeeze intensifying. Number 5, exchange balances at multi-year lows. 57% drop. Less supply on exchanges means explosive moves when demand returns. Number 6, Brad Garlinghouse bullish on 2026. Quote, crypto's best performing year of all time. Number 7, institutional adoption accelerating, Evernorth NASDAQ listing, RLUSD scaling, DXC partnership with $5 trillion in banking. Number 8, Technical setup is perfect. Break $2, we're off to 250, then 3, then 366. Standard Chartered still says $8. The fundamentals are screaming bullish. The technicals are setting up. The catalysts are coming. Is the bottom in? All the signs say yes. Hold 180. We're going higher. None of this is financial advice. Crypto is risky and volatile. But if you're watching this, you're watching the setup for the next leg up. Smash that like. Hit subscribe. The bottom is in, and we're about to RIP. Let's go.